Hi, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and I get to share the MVP Swimming Collection designed by Becky Moore. This is a mini collection with 4 papers. You'll get 2 of each of the papers in this collection kit, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Let's take a closer look at each of the pieces in this collection. Glide into the finish line with backstroke, which includes the cut-aparts. Be sure to stay in your lane with the backstroke paper. Have a little fun with the freestyle paper. The last paper in this collection is the relay paper. This collection also includes a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet that includes a 12-inch border, words, titles, elements, and more. If you're looking to add matching cardstock to your collection, we have gone ahead and matched the My Colors cardstock with the swimming collection. The first color is Scarlet. It's from the Classic collection. Then you have the black, the white, Winter Lake from the Canvas collection, as well as Banana Pepper from the Canvas collection. Mix and match these beautiful cardstock papers with the MVP Swimming collection for even more options in your paper crafting projects. This is the perfect collection for capturing all those winning moments. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.